How are you doing, folks? James Farrer here, sales executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely stunning 191 BMW 5 Series 530e M Sport iPerformance Saloon. Let's take a quick look around her. She comes in this black sapphire metallic paint finish, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, the M Sport aerodynamic body kit, the front LED BMW headlights, the front parking sensors. Come around to the side, you have the BMW 19-inch spoked alloys on run flat tyres with the M Sport badging and the blue brake calipers. You have the high gloss black trim finish with the E badging on the side, the shark fin aerial up top. Come around to the back, you have the rear LED taillights, the debadged boot to give it that more classier look, the twin exhausts, the rear parking sensors to give you that complete 360-degree parking view, and the automatic trunk. Just a simple click the key fob that should pop right open for you. This is a 2-litre petrol hybrid. Absolutely phenomenal car. Let's take a look at the interior and some of the specs on board this 191 530e. Now that we're inside, folks, you can see the fully digital cockpit that comes with real-time traffic information, the multifunctional BMW paddle shift M Sport steering wheel, the BMW teleservice, fully touchscreen. It has features such as enhanced Bluetooth, sat-nav navigation, communications, connective drive, my vehicle, and many other extras. Or you can quickly access some of these features. You can use the BMW iDrive system. You also have the 360-degree parking sensors equipped. Interior comes in a black Dakota leather with a grey piping, surrounded by a stainless steel finish alongside customizable ambient lighting. Right now it's in M Sport blue, but you can choose from a range of different colours. You have the fully electric wing mirrors, fully electric windows, rain sensing wipers, automatic lights, the upgraded sound system, the steering wheel with the cruise control with brake function, the speed limiter, voice control. You can also control the media and your Bluetooth from the steering wheel. This car is fitted with a sports mode, comfort mode, and an eco pro mode. You also have the eDrive settings on board, the electric e-brake, a few extras are the heated seats, the air conditioning, the keyless push button start ignition, the BMW SOS service system, the BMW pedestrian safety system, and many other extras. Now, like I said, folks, this is just a quick look around this 191 BMW 5 Series 530e M Sport iPerformance Saloon. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching. My name is James Power, and I hope you enjoyed this video.